Hey guys, too many cards here with another pack. 1989 Topps. 15 cards. Let's go. Randy Johnson. There's our gum card right there. All right, 1989. Pete Rose would be cool. Barry Bonds would be cool. Come on, let's go. Will the Thrill. Nolan Ryan. That's cool as hell right there too. Nice. Let's go. Tommy John. Frankie V. Little all-star. All right, Myers. All right, the best card out of there. Let's go back to the Nolan Ryan there. Let's run through that real quick. Mr. Nolan Ryan. Pretty badass. All right, guys, make sure you guys subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.